Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our maths class of our level 1. Hope you are doing good. So let us start our new unit, unit 12. What's that? Maths. So we will start, first of all, we will start our workbook, page number 82 to 86. We will do it today. So take out your page number 82. First of all, we will learn what's mass. What's mass? Mass is a measure of the amount of the matter in an object. Okay, so mass is commonly measured of how much something weighs. So mass is how we measure an object. What is the amount? How we will calculate the object? It's measured how heavy an object is. Okay, so it's usually measured what is the weight of some object. So how we will measure the mass? Yes, that we will see. We measure the mass in kilograms. Kilogram is the unit of the mass. It's the standard of unit of the mass. So we can write kg, short form, we can write kg instead of kilogram. It's the short form for kilogram. So we can use kilogram to measure the weight, to measure the mass of any object. Okay, now let's measure mass in kilograms. First of all, I will show you different weighing scales. See, these are some different weighing scales in the market. Okay, usually we use this type of measuring scale, right? Weighing scale. See, if you are going to any Bacala, any supermarket like Lulu, Panda, or any Nesto, any supermarket, you buy things from there like vegetables, fruits. So you brought those things in kilograms. For example, apple kilo, for example, onion kilo. Okay, in kilograms you buy those things from the market. Okay, so now let me show you some examples of the mass. First of all, I will show you the mass of those objects which is having a mass of 1 kg. See, what is this? This is a packet of peas. And how much weight it is here? It's 1 kg. And the balance level is equal. So we can see the mass of the peas is 1 kg. This is how we measure the mass. Okay. Let me show you one more example. See, this is a tin of biscuits. And what is the weight here? Yeah, it's 1 kg and the level is equal. So we can say the mass of the tin of biscuits is how much? 1 kg. Okay, let me show you some objects which is having mass less than 1 kg. See, what is this? This is a soccer ball. And what is this weight here? It's 1 kg. Is it level same, equal? No, it's going up and it's going down. In that means when when the weight is heavy, it's going down. That means this going up, it's not equal. So we can say the soccer ball is lighter than 1 kg. It is less than 1 kg. It's not equal. It's less because it's going up. See, it's going up. It's less. So it is less, or we can say it's lighter than 1 kg. Let me show you one more example. What is this? Yeah, this is a washing powder which mama is using at home to washing your clothes. Okay, so what's the weight? Its weight is written here 1 kg, but this is not equal. Level is not equal. It's going up. See, it's going down. It's heavy here. So we can say the mass of the box of washing powder is less than 1 kg. Let me tell you something more about the objects which having mass less than 1 kg. What is this here? It's a flour which your mama is using to make chapatis, rotis, right? What is the weight here? Half kg. 1 by 2 is equal to half kg. And its level is same or not? Yes, it's same exactly. So we can say the mass of the bag of flour is how much? Half kg. Let me tell you something about the objects that's having less than half kg mass. Examples. See, what is this? Bread. And what is the weight here? Half kg. Is it equal? No. It's not equal. So we can say the mass of the leaf of bread is less than half kg. See, it's not equal. It's going down, it's going up. This means it's not equal. It is less than half kg. That means, see, what is this? Sugar. And what is this? 1 by 4th means fourth part of any piece. Okay, fourth, 1 by 4th. So we can say, see, is this equal? Yeah, this is equal. That means the sugar is also 1 by 4th. So we can say the mass of the packet of sugar is 1 by 4th. That means it is less than half kg. See, some objects having mass more than 1 kg now. It was before, it was less than 1 kg and 1 kg. Now it is more than 1 kg. What is this? It's a packet of sugar. And what's the weight here? 1 kg. Is it equal? Tell me. No, it's not equal. See, this is heavy, that's why this is going down, and this is light, it's going up. That means the sugar is heavier than 1 kg. Let me show you some more example. What is this? Wow, this is a watermelon. And what is this? Wait here, 1 kg. Is it equal? No, this is going down. Up level is not same. That means we can say the mass of the watermelon is more than 1 kg. And here sugar is also heavier than 1 kg or more than 1 kg. Here also watermelon is more or heavier than 1 kg. See what's the here? So now this was all about how we measure the mass. Now we will compare mass in kilograms. Okay, let us measure the mass of some items. See how much mass it is. What is this first of all? Watermelon. What is mass here? 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much it comes? 3. That means you can say the mass of the watermelon is how much? 3 kg. See one more example. What is this? Pumpkin. What is the weight here? 1 plus 1 means 2. The mass of the pumpkin is 2 kg. Okay. Let me show you one more example. What is this? Cabbage. And what is the mass of the cabbage? Tell me. Excellent. It's 1 kg. So we can say the mass of the cabbage is 1 kg. Remember, watermelon is how much? 3 kg. Pumpkin is how much? 2 kg. And cabbage is how much? 1 kg. Now, let's continue this. Okay. See, watermelon is how much? It's 3 kg. And pumpkin is how much? 2 kg. So how much? What is the difference between, how much kilo is difference between watermelon and pumpkin? Let's check it out. Okay. See. We will see. We will minus 2 out of 3. We will do subtraction here. We will cut 2 out of 3. What comes here? 1. When we cut out 2 out of 3, it will come here 1. And here also, what is the difference between pumpkin and cabbage? Pumpkin is 2 kg, cabbage is 1 kg. So we will do subtraction, means to take out minus. It comes again 1 kg. That means the watermelon is dash kg heavier than the pumpkin. That means how much is this? Watermelon is how much bigger than pumpkin? 1 kg. Okay, see. Now again, the pumpkin is 1 kg heavier than the cabbage. See, pumpkin is 2 kg, cabbage is 1 kg. We did subtraction. What comes the answer? 1 kg. That means pumpkin is 1 kg heavier than the cabbage. So that means the cabbage is the lightest object, isn't it? See, cabbage is the lightest. It's only 1 kg. And pumpkin is 2 kg. And watermelon is 3 kg. So which one is the lowest? Pumpkin or which one? Yeah, cabbage is the lowest, lightest object. Now what is the highest object? Watermelon, because its weight is 3 kg, the bigger one. The watermelon is the heaviest object. So this was all about mass. Now let us start our workbook. Page number, what page number I told you? 82. You all will open your page number 82 in front of you of your workbook, okay? So now students, you will open your maths workbook, okay? You will open your page number 82, okay? See, it's page number 82. So let us start our work. See, Unit 12, it's mass. Measuring mass in kilograms. As I told you, kilogram is the standard unit of measurement for mass, or we can say weight. So we write kg for kilogram. That is the short form. So what is this? This is a weighing machine. So what is it saying? It's saying draw 3 apples in our weighing scale. They are saying that you draw 3 apples here on our weighing scale. So let us draw. See, we will draw 3 apples here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 apples we draw it here. You also will draw 3 apples on this weighing scale, okay? So now see, let us start it. So now 3 apples are on the weighing scale. Let us start the part B. It was part A. Now we will do part B. So comparing masses in kilograms, as I told you before, I explained that, okay? What is this? Yeah, this is watermelon, okay? How much weight it is? It is 2 kg. And what is this? This is, yeah, grapes. You like grapes or do you like watermelon? Yeah, some of you like grapes and some of you like watermelon. So what is the weight? What is the mass for grapes? It's 1 kg. So we will solve it. How many kilograms is the watermelon heavier than the grapes? So we will see that what is the, how much weight is the watermelon heavier than the grapes, because watermelon is 2 kg and grapes is how much? 1 kg, means both are not same. So what we will do, how we will find the difference between the two? What we will do? We will do subtraction. That means watermelon is 2 kg and grapes is 1 kg. So we will find out what is the difference between watermelon and grapes. Let me show you here. See, watermelon is how much? 2 kg. And grapes is how much? 1 kg. So we will do it subtraction. When we have 2 things, I will show you here. 2 things, and out of 2 I have to subtract how much? 1. That means I have to cut. I have to take out 1. I will cut 1. So how much left here? 1. 1 kg. Okay, how much is left here? 1. That means 2 kg minus 1 kg is equal to how much? 1 kg. That means the watermelon is heavier than the grapes because its weight is 2 kg and grapes is only 1 kg. That means we can say the watermelon is heavier than the grapes. This is how we compare masses in kilograms. Now dear, turn your page number 82. So all of you will turn your page, another page, page number 83. Okay, let us start it. See, look at the figures and the questions. See, there are some figures drawn on the top of the page and some questions are here. So we have to solve these questions. Let us start. What is this? This is watermelon. What is the weight for watermelon? 2 kg, 2 kilograms. Okay. Now, what is the second one here? Oranges. What is the weight for the oranges? 1 kg. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? Tell me. Yes, pumpkin. What is the weight for pumpkin? 4 kg. Okay. So we will solve now these questions. See, question 1. See, number 1. Which of the fruit is the heaviest? So now you have to say which one is the heaviest. Is watermelon heaviest, oranges heaviest, or pumpkin? Pumpkin is 4 kg, oranges are 1 kg, and watermelon is 2 kg. Now which one is the heaviest? Any guesses? Yes, tell me. Pumpkin, oranges, or watermelon? Which one is the heaviest? Tell me. Yes, any guesses? Exactly, it's pumpkin because it's 4 kg. It's more than oranges and watermelon. So what we will write here? Pumpkin. Okay, because it's 4 kg. So we'll write here pumpkin. Pumpkin. It's pumpkin. Okay. Now let's run the question. How many kilograms is the pumpkin heavier than the watermelon? This is question number 2. You have to say how much pumpkin is heavier than watermelon because pumpkin is heavier. Now you have to say the difference between pumpkin and watermelon. Pumpkin is 4 kg. Watermelon is how much? 2 kg. Now we will find the difference. Now how we will find the difference? We will do subtraction. See, pumpkin is 4 kg. Okay. Watermelon is how much? Exactly 2 kg. So how we will find the difference? We will do subtraction, means minus. Out of 4, we will draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, we will cut how much? 2. We will minus 2. 1, 2. So how many left? Only 2 left. So what is the answer? 2 kg. That means pumpkin is 2 kg heavier than watermelon, isn't it? So write here 2. That means pumpkin is 2 kg heavier than watermelon. Okay? It's 2 kg heavier than watermelon. Let's do another part. See, it's 2 kg heavier. Third, which of the fruits is the lightest? Now you have to say out of 3, which one is the lightest? Pumpkin, it's 4 kg. Oranges, it's 1 kg. Watermelon, it's 2 kg. Which one is the lightest? Yes, tell me. Exactly, oranges because it's only 1 kg. It is very less in weight. So what we will write here? Oranges. Oranges. Now next question. Question number 4. How many kilograms are the watermelon heavier than the oranges? Now you have to say how many kilogram is watermelon heavier than the orange. So let's find the difference. See, oranges are 2 kg. Watermelon is 2 kg. Oranges are 1 kg. So we will find the difference between watermelon and oranges. Let me write here. Watermelon is how much? Exactly, it's 2 kg. And oranges are how much? 1 kg. Okay. Now we will find the difference, means we will do subtraction, minus. Let us draw 2 circles here. Okay. 1, 2. So out of 2 we will cut 1. How much is left? Only 1. That means 1 kg. Or we can say like this. See, let's write here. First of all, I will write here 1. Okay. 1 kg. Okay, that means oranges are 1 kg lighter than watermelon. Okay, oranges are 1 kg lighter than watermelon. So this was all about page number 83. Now we will do another page number 84. Okay. So students, now we will do page number 84. Let's start. Question number 5. What is the total mass or weight of the watermelon, oranges, pumpkin? We have to find the total weight of these 3. Pumpkin 4 kg, watermelon is 2 kg, oranges is 1 kg. So we have to find the total weight of the 3. Okay, total mass, or we can say weight of the 3. Okay, so we will do what? We will do addition. Okay, we will add these three. Pumpkin is 4 kg, watermelon 2 kg, and orange is 1 kg. We will find the total mass of these three. So we will do addition. Okay, let us do it. See, what is the weight of pumpkin? Okay, it is 4 kg. Now see, what is the weight of watermelon? Yes, exactly. It is 2 kg. Now what is the weight for oranges? It's 1 kg. Now when we want to find the total, what we will do? Addition. See, what is this? 4 kg. See, I will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after 4, 2 more. 1, 2. After 2, 1 more. 1. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the total? 7 kg. Okay. That means total weight, total mass of these three is 7 kg. Okay. See, we will write here 7 kg. Okay. Now let's try. See, there are some fruits here. What is this? These are some oranges. What is the weight of orange? 3 kg of oranges. Okay. Now what is next one? These are some pears. So what is the weight of these pears? 2 kg of pears. What is this? These are some berries. What is the weight of this? 1 kg of berries. So let's solve this question also. How many kilograms are the oranges heavier than the pear? Now we have to find how much oranges are heavier than pear. Okay, let's solve this question. Okay, see. Oranges are how much? It's 3 kg. Okay. Now pears are how much? We will write here first of all 3 kg. 3 kg. It's oranges. Okay. Now what is the weight of pears? It's 2 kg. So when we want to find the difference, what we will do? We will do a subtraction. Means minus. See? 3 kg minus 2 kg. We will do that. Okay. We will draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Out of 3 we will cut 2. 1, 2. How much left? 1. 1 kg is the answer. See. Now what we will write here? 3 kg minus 2 kg is equal to how much? 1 kg. Now we can say oranges are 1 kg heavier than pears. Okay. Now next, the dash is the heaviest fruit. Which one is the heaviest out of 3? Can you tell me? 3 kg of orange, 2 kg of pears or 1 kg of berries? Exactly. It is which one? Tell me. It's orange. Now the second one is which is the lightest fruit? See? First of all, we will write here oranges. Oranges because orange is the heaviest fruit. Now, which is the lightest one? 3 kg of orange, 2 kg of pears or 1 kg of berries? Yes, exactly. It is berries. We will write here berries. Berries. The berries is the lightest fruit. This was all about page number 84. Now, we will do another page, page number 85. Okay. Now dear, you will turn your page number 85. Okay. So let us start. See, what is this? Estimating and verifying the mass in kilograms. Circle the picture that is heavier in mass. See, there are some pictures here. So you have to estimate, you have to guess which one is heavy and which one is heavy out of these pictures. And you have to circle the picture which is heavy in mass. So let us start. What is this? Yeah, exactly. This is mouse which we are using for laptops and computers. And what is this? This is a crane. Can you tell me which one is heavy? Crane is heavier or mouse is heavier? Yes, exactly. Out of 2, crane is heavier than mouse because its mass is, its weight is heavier than mouse. So we will circle crane. Okay, let us circle it. So crane is heavier than mouse. Let's do another one. See, what is this? Yeah, this is a refrigerator which you are using for your kitchen. Okay, and what is this? This is a cupcake. Can you tell me, can you guess which one is heavier? Now this cupcake is heavier or refrigerator? Correct. Your guess is correct. Your answer is correct. Refrigerator is heavier than cupcake, isn't it? So we will circle the refrigerator. See, you all will circle the refrigerator. Okay, now let's do another part. What is this? Iron. And what is this? Table. Can you tell me which one is heavier? Table is heavier or iron is heavier? Very good. Table is heavier than iron, right? Okay. Now let's do the last one. What is this? This is a cup of tea. And what are these? These are some books. Can you tell me which one is heavier? Cup of tea. It's a cup of tea, or these books are heavier? Correct. Answer is correct. These books are heavier than a cup of tea. Okay, this was all about page number 85. Now I will tell you about page number 86. See, this is here, it's activity 3 and it's here written mass. Stick at least 3 pictures of each heavier and lighter animals. See what you have to do in this page. You have to do this page at your home. This is your homework. See, you have to stick 3 pictures of those animals which are heavier in weight. And this side you have to stick 3 pictures which are lighter in weight. Okay, this page you will do at home, very neat and clean. This is your homework, page number 86. This was all about workbook about mass. So students, today we will learn about about mass. So mass, what is mass? It is the measurement, how we calculate the object. It measures how heavy the object is. What is the standard unit for mass? Yes, exactly, it's kilogram, or we can write it in short form kilograms. So what we also learn, how we measure the mass in kilograms, and we compare with different masses, with low mass, with high weight, with low weight. Okay, and last we estimate the mass and verify it whether it's lighter or heavier. Okay dear. Okay, now as I told you before, you will do your activity number 3 of unit 12 mass, page number 86 of your workbook. Okay, so what will you do on that page? You will stick 3 pictures of each, of 3 pictures of those animals which are heavier in weight, and 3 pictures of those animals which are lighter in weight. This is your homework. Okay, do neat and clean. Okay, so for the next video we will start our activity book of same unit, mass. Okay, we will finish at that. So till the next video, take care of yourself, properly stay inside and do practice of this at home. Okay, so take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.